Namaste. My name is Thayir Nada and I'm studying in class 8 from KUPORIJO, Upper Subansiri, Arunachal Pradesh. Today I'm going to talk about my review about my favorite novel written by Stephen King. It is one of the greatest novels written by the most famous writer Stephen King. This novel has also inspired the film called It. It has always been in fame since its release. It's a story about a clown called Pennywise who comes after every 27 years to eat children, and so some group of teenagers wants to stop this circle by facing the evil clown. So it is a horror slash thriller novel with a perfect storyline and with a perfect mixture of suspense, horror, drama, etc. And the film is great as the novel. The author has put a lot of effort in representing the expressions and the feelings of the characters, and even the little details about sitting and observing things, standing. The author is legend, so is his novels, and people are quite amazed by reading his novels. So directors of film industries have always been inspired by his novels. So some films has been inspired by his novels, and some of them are The Shining, In the Tall Grass, Doctor Sleep, etc. The critics also has to say a lot about this novel, but no one can deny how perfectly the story has been written. Back in 2017, when I first heard about this novel, I was really not into, or you can say not interested in this kind of things as novels. But my friends always told me about this novel and how good the story has been written. So I end up being curious about it. And when I read the reviews in the Google, I was thinking like, yes, it is quite amazing, I guess. So I bought the book from Amazon, and when when I finished the book, I was amazed. And one thing I would like to add, that if you want to be awake all night in fear, you could really read this book. It will keep you awake all night in fear. And it also tells us about being brave and how to overcome obstacles in our life. And the author is really great, and all of his novels are really great. So I was really amazed by seeing the artwork of the author. And yes, of course, the movie It, which was inspired by this novel, also came in 2017, so I watched it, and my expectation of the film was fulfilled. So yeah, that's what I have to say about my review of my favorite novel called It, written by Stephen King. Thank you.